Hi everybody, my name is Jacqueline Novi and this is my channel. I am a singer, dancer, actor, musical theater fanatic, songwriter, social media consultant, and now your audition expert. I am officially starting a series about audition tips and tricks that you can use for your college auditions. I will be posting every Wednesday nights, so keep that in mind. I am first going to be going through the college audition process as a whole, so going through pre-screens, physical auditions, resumes, headshots. I already actually did a video on headshots, but I'll update it a little bit to fit college auditions. But I wanted to make a comprehensive guide to college auditions and how to do them, because little backstory, I have been through them twice now. I just finished doing my second round of them last year. Granted, this was before COVID, so who knows if this will change, but I'll definitely do some research on that before I post any videos. Even if it is going to be virtual, a lot of these tips are going to be helpful for you. This is like an introduction video of who I am and why I'm making this series, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you like the idea of this series, feel free to subscribe so that you can get notifications. Click the bell icon. I hope that you have a great day, that you are all staying safe and healthy, and I'll see you next Wednesday. Bye!
Sit me down, shut me up. Looks like you need a refill.